Olufunke Faluyi is an acclaimed writer and nature enthusiast whose insights into the benefits of healthy living have earned her a prominent position in Nigeria's media landscape. As a dedicated columnist for the esteemed Punch newspaper, her column, Healthy Living with Olufunke, serves as a platform to educate and inspire readers on the importance of connecting with nature and embracing a lifestyle that promotes well-being. With a deep commitment to sharing her message, Olufunke frequently engages with audiences at revivals and conferences where she passionately emphasizes the significance of returning to a more natural, Eden-like existence through dietary choices. Her presentations underscore the myriad advantages that nature's offerings can bring to humanity, encouraging individuals to make informed decisions that enhance their quality of life. Olufunke's expertise in her field, coupled with her ability to effectively communicate complex ideas in a relatable manner, has made her a respected voice in the realm of health and wellness. Her work not only reflects her personal passion, but also contributes to the broader discourse on the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. By Kola Wola, O. Michael, JP, for Bridge Afrique Magazine and AfriTube TV.